up, guys? Carolynn Castillo with eXp Realty and Team Absolute Top Dollar. Today we're in the beautiful St. Augustine and we've got a condo unit that you're gonna love. We're gonna be showing this beautiful clubhouse complete with a pool, a huge party room, and a gym so you can stay fit. Let's go take a look. Welcome, guys. Come on inside. You are gonna absolutely love this unit. As you mentioned, we are located in St. Augustine. This property is literally only 10 minutes to the downtown historic area. What I love about this property is the vaulted ceilings. With this being on the third floor, you've got vaulted ceilings and you've got this open living area. So as you can see here, you've got a beautiful white kitchen with nice clean countertops. These are pretty original cabinets, but they're beautiful. The open floor plan is fantastic. Right here, you're actually gonna have your own washer and dryer in your unit, so that's very important when you have a condominium. And I just love it, the open feeling. It's a split floor plan, so you are gonna have a full master bedroom on that side and a full master bedroom on this side. Now, of course, you guys are seeing this gorgeous dining room area. The seller has just decorated it so beautifully, and it opens up into the family area right here. So you're able to see the outside, and guys, yes, you are seeing right. This is a real fireplace that is active, okay? So when it starts getting cooler, this is gonna be a lot of fun. Now, I'm gonna show you both bedrooms. This one right now is being used a little bit as a storage, okay? She is moving, but what you're gonna see here is you've got a very large size bedroom. You've got 2 windows, which is great for natural light, and each bedroom has its own walk-in closet and bathroom. So this bathroom is actually humongous, okay? There is so much space in here. Look at this span, okay? This is a huge bathroom with a Roman tub shower, beautiful vanity, beautiful space in here. So if you're gonna be living with 2 people, this is a great apartment to have, or it could be a phenomenal guest room, okay? So now we're gonna walk to the other side of the unit so you can see the master bath. Now with the split floor plan, you really get a nice feel. It feels a lot bigger than it actually is. So let's kind of like walk through the bathroom. Very similar to the other bathroom, almost identical. You've got a beautiful vanity in great shape. All of it's original, but it's in fantastic shape. This is gonna lead you right into your master suite here. Again, beautiful walk-in closet, your own private bathroom, 2 windows, and this actual unit leads out to the patio area, okay? So we're gonna actually walk right out here to the patio. Now this condominium unit is going to be for sale. There's not very many that come available, especially the vaulted ceilings with the fireplace. These are very, very exclusive. So don't you love this beautiful, it's all screened in. You're surrounded by the woods. It's a very, very secure community, and it's also gated, okay? So guys, we're excited to show you this unit. Please put my information is down below, and I hope I can take you on a private tour. Thank you so much for watching.